Will today be the day that I catch a 5-pound bass? There's only one way to find out. Let's fish. Today I am using the Proficiency Riz bait casting combo with a KVD spinnerbait. That cast was such money. Also guys, there's mayflies everywhere. Oh, there we go. That's a fish. I think it's a bass. Okay, come here. Oh my goodness, so cute. Hi, little guy. Oh no, don't worry. Look at him. Gorgeous little smallmouth bass. I haven't nailed that spinnerbait. He heard me talking and he's like, no, the spinnerbait's mine. Thanks so much for biting, little guy. Ooh, he swam up for that one. Oh my gosh, he's pulling me in. Oh yeah. He is under that log and we're going with him. Come here. Oh, you're a big fish. Come here. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. He's a tank. Look at him. Oh my gosh, he crushed this. My spinnerbait is completely bent. He is absolutely gorgeous. Deep red, giant. Wow, that was a one heck of a fight. Gosh, wow, beautiful. There we go. Oh. Oh. That's crazy, you guys. My spinnerbait just snapped right in half. Oh my gosh. No 5-pound bass this time, but we're gonna catch one this year. I'm calling it now. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Love you.